हेलो एभ्रिवान, गुड आफ्टरनुन। आज फेरि नयाँ भ्लग नयाँ भिडियो ल्याएर तपाईहरुलाई नयाँ भिडियो ल्याएर आउँदैछु र आजको हाम्रो भिडियो भनेको स्कुलमा ओरिएन्टेसन मेन्टल हेल्थ सम्बन्धीको कार्यक्रम हुन गइरहेछ र यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो मिस अञ्जना राई काउन्सिलर र उहाँले चाहिँ आज 8, 9, 10 को विद्यार्थीहरूलाई यो सम्बन्धी केही ज्ञान केही जानकारी दिन गइरहेछ र तपाईहरुलाई म भिडियो देखाउने छु र तपाईहरुले हेर्दै जानु होला।
We gather here today for a very new topic and a very new sort of a program for our school regarding the current situation of the rising depression problems and the suicidal cases among little children, teenagers especially. We've decided to conduct a program on an orientation on emotional well-being and mental health. And we intend to carry this program or conduct such programs every week or once a month if possible. And this is a program which is aimed at helping you people to come up with your problems, whatever problems you have. Problems which you feel that you cannot share with your parents or with your teachers. Okay, you should have the courage to share your problems. Today, among the younger generation, there's a problem of depression. This is becoming a major problem in every society today. And as you all know, that just a couple of days ago, we lost one of our ex-students. And the reason behind could be multiple reasons, but usually it's got to do with problems which you keep within yourself. You don't share those problems. Okay, so we are trying to help you people, and we hope we'll be able to help you people with in regarding this field. So today, to conduct this orientation, we have Anjana ma'am, who is a facilitator, a counselor, and she is going to conduct this orientation program. And even after the program, on any day, at any time, if you have any problems that you want to share, okay, that you have kept it within yourself, which is bothering you, you feel afraid to share it with your parents or to your friends or to your relatives, you are always welcome to share those problems with Anju Miss. Okay? Sharing your problem lessens your burden. It helps you a lot, rather than keeping it, kept inside you, which, what do you call that word? Which
children and the staff, good afternoon. How are we all today? Are we fine? It's hot, isn't it? So I think by this topic, emotional well-being and mental health, I think some of you have got a little bit of hint already. Am I correct? Is that? Have you or haven't you? Please raise your hand. Could you please raise your hand? So, okay, let me explain. In a very briefly. So it's hot, isn't it? So how are we feeling now? So that is the hot. We are feeling hot. But what is the emotions that we are feeling now? Are we happy that it's hot? Are you sad? Does heat make you sad? I don't think so. How is the feeling now? It is hot, of course it is hot. The sun is scorching and then it's hot. But how are we feeling right now? It's so good to see you laughing. This has to be the spirit. It's hot. we are feeling irritated. We would just wish, how I wish I could sit in front, under this, inside this AC room or under the fan, isn't it? But we have to sit here listening to I don't know what topic, and it's making me irritated. Am I correct? So that is the emotion. That is the emotion. And today we are going to talk about emotional well-being and mental health. So 50% we are clear. Is it? Somebody said something and everybody started laughing. That is also an emotion. Is it? If I scold you now, you will be sad. That is an emotion. But it's just that sometimes we are not being able to tackle that emotions. We are not being able to, we just give it to ourselves. Okay? And we do not know how to handle our emotions. So today, the topic is all about that. Emotional well-being, how to handle. Okay. Now I have here, could you please read this for me? Emotion. So before we start the program about emotional well-being, first of all, it is very important to understand what emotion is. Okay? So I have a placard with me that says emotions. Could anyone raise your hand and read out for me? Bodily movement. Physical disturbances. When we are when we hit by the emotions, it is shown in our physical. It is shown on the face, isn't it? We start doing like, oh, I'm so irritated. Like you start, it starts showing like that, and bodily movement. We start to have like it's shown in our faces, our body. So. Emotion is a feeling such as happiness. Basically, emotion is a feeling of happiness, love, anger, hatred, which is caused by the situations that we are in or with the people we are with. Okay? Now, what could be the cause of this? What could be the cause of emotions? Anybody? Could you please read out for me? See, I'm not here to just talk and talk and talk. It'll be so boring. I want your participation. Anybody from the crowd, please raise a hand and read out for me. Wong the Guru? Are you there? Yes, please.
Of interconnected structure located deep inside the brain predictly sustain past experience different level of feelings.
Thank you. Now, emotions. Now, sometimes we just, why am I? Huh? Even our mothers, our parents tell us, "Besi na asai runu parcha." Okay, na? Huh? It is like that, isn't it? So, and when we are sad, when we are sad, when we are happy, when we are emotionally broken, now there are so many crises. All this happens because of the crisis in our, like there's a new word, depression, isn't it? There's a word, depression, which is in a hype these days. Am I correct? So why does that happen? That happens when we have crisis in our life. When we have what? Crisis. Now what is crisis? We have lack of, when we are, lack of anything, when we lack anything in our life, it is that we are in that crisis. We have crisis of emotions, we have crisis of relation, we have crisis of money, we are in crisis of everything in our life. Now here is a word for you. Last one. Okay? Now, I'll give you work. Okay? Here, I have, let's see, our life rotates in these crises. Faith, existential, this is identity, and medical, that is our health. Okay? Now could you please write it down for me? Financial, are you done? Faith. Faith. F-A-I-T-H. Existential. Existential. E-X-I-S-T-E-N-T-I-A-L. Existential. This could be identity when we don't know who we are. Identity, existential, when we have existential crisis, and medical. Medical, when we are sick. Biosability. Now, I want you to write your own story. Even the teachers could use it. I want you to use your write. Yeah, if you have any kind of those kind of relation crisis, you can write. But you have to be yourself today, okay? No lying.
What do you mean by faith?
Faith is something that you have in yourself or the trust. It could be. Example could be because of this reason I have lost my faith in God. Because of this reason I have lost my faith in my mother. Yeah, she had a promise with this, but now she's not giving me this. So okay? The emotions you feel each day can compel you to take actions and influence the decision you make in your life. It could be big or it could be small. Each and every emotion brings changes in our body, brings changes in our thoughts, which leads us to take actions. Now it's not hidden from any one of us. The cases that we have seen, the two cases by our ex-students, am I correct? Do we all know about this? Now who could tell me why may this have occurred? Anybody? Any idea? No, I don't know. I don't want to know the reason. I just want to know why. I mean, what may have forced them? What may have influenced them? Sorry? Could you please stand out? Yeah? Yes? Yes? Because of financial problem? Because of financial crisis? Thank you very much. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else from Dakota? Go and share. तिमीले भनेको सुनेको छैन तिमीसँग कुरा गरेर कस्तो मन हल्का भयो भन्छ कि भन्दैन तिमीसँग कुरा गरेर मन कस्तो हल्का भयो आज मेरो भन्छ कि भन्दैन भनेपछि चाहिँ हामीले के 10 केजी को मन बोकेर हिँडेको छौं हो सो यस्तो हुन्छ कि if we so this is emotions. We don't have a heart, we don't have a mind of 10 kgs or 20 kgs or 50 kgs, isn't it? It's all the emotions. Emotion gather हुँदा के हुन्छ मन भारी भएर आएको हुन्छ. And some of us think, oh, this is it, I have to do this, I have to cut off my life. No, that is not a solution. Talk. So, if you talk it out with anybody, there will be a problem. I mean, there will be a solution. I know. if you cannot trust somebody, I think maybe you have someone you trust, your best friends, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your friends, whoever you have, just talk it out. Okay, for some of you will be feeling sleepy, right? There's a small task for you. You please read it out and tick or cross. You all of you can read and write Nepali, right? Nepali sir is right there if you say no. Okay. Could you please help me? Sir, you're supposed like, no. This is something that you have to do. The sir will distribute these papers. Okay, go. Sir.
Hey, don't laugh. This program is not for joke. Take it serious.
Yes, take it serious. Don't make a joke. Problem no. Hey, problem no. I'll say.
It is not a joke.
Thank you, ma'am. सबै विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले त्यहाँ हेर्नु होला, आफ्नो पढ्ने बानी बारे थाहा पाउनुहोस्। हजुरहरूले कसरी पढ्दै हुन्छ र अब पढ्नुपर्ने कस्तो हो त्यसलाई ध्यान दिएर हेर्नु होला। तल केही वाक्यहरू दिएका छन्, प्रत्येक वाक्यहरू पढ्नुहोस् र आफूलाई कतिसम्म त्यही अनुसार अघिल्तिरको खाली ठाउँमा भनेको अगाडिको खाली ठाउँ भर्नुहोस् भन्ने इक्जाममा लेखेको छ हैन सबैले? हो, त्यसरी नै अघिल्तिर अगाडिको खाली ठाउँमा 0 देखि 5 सम्म अङ्क दिनुहोस्। यसमा 0 ले अथवा 0 ले यो कुरा मलाई अलिकति पनि लागू हुन्न भनेको लागू भएको छैन भन्ने जनाउँछ भने 5 ले यसले ठ्याक्कै मेरो स्थितिलाई अहिलेको अवस्थालाई बुझाउँछ भन्ने जनाउँछ। बुझ्यो? वाक्यहरू यस्ता छन्, म अघिल्लो वर्ष भन्दा यो वर्ष ज्यादै मेहनत गरेर पढिरहेको छु। ठीक छ कि बेठिक छ? 0 दिने हो कि 5 दिने हो हजुरहरूको हातमा छ। 1 2 3 4 5 अब 5 आयो भने A प्लस आउन सक्छ, तर कसरी भन्ने पनि हुनु पर्यो है। फेरि भरे उत्तर पनि आउन सक्नु पर्यो। यो वर्षको लागि अध्ययन कसरी र कुन समयमा गर्ने भनी मैले योजना तालिका बनाएको छु। योजना बनाएर त्यही अनुसार रुटिन बनाएर मैले पढ्ने गरेको छु। यसमा 0 देखि 5 सम्म जति पनि लाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। अर्को छ, म शिक्षकले कक्षामा पढाउने पाठ पहिले नै पढेर जाने गर्दछु। पहिले नै पढेर क्लासमा जानेछु। ठीक हो कि होइन हेर्नु होला। अर्को छ 4 नम्बर, म कक्षामा सधैँ जान्छु र पढाएका पाठहरूको नोट सार्ने गर्दछु। अर्को छ, कक्षामा शिक्षकले पढाउँदा उक्त पढाइ र किताबमा मैले पढेको उक्त पाठबारे सोच्ने गर्दछु। पढेको कुराहरू पनि केही म सोच्ने छु अरे। सोचिन्छ कि छैन?
हेलो, अनि यो विषयमा ओरिएन्टेसन एवेरनेस प्रोग्राम बारेमा आज जुन किसिमको लोभो फरेस्टले 8 to 10 को स्टुडेन्टहरूलाई एवेरनेस प्रोग्राम जुन किसिमको राखेको छ हैन, र तिमीलाई यो कस्तो लाग्यो त्यो प्रोग्राम विषयमा?
अब खासमा भन्नुपर्दा यो प्रोग्राम चाहिँ हामी जस्तो टिनेजलाई चाहिने हो होइन धेरै विद्यार्थीहरू डिप्रेसनमा परेका छन् होइन के मेन्टल प्रब्लममा परेका छन् त्यसैले यस्तो प्रोग्रामहरू चाहिँ राखिराख्नुपर्छ र यो चाहिँ अझै ठुलो स्केलमा राख्नुपर्छ तर ठिकै छ र यो राख्नलाई हाम्रो स्कुलको प्रिन्सिपल सागर गुरुङलाई चाहिँ धेरै धन्यवाद होइन अब अझै आउने दिनमा पनि यस्तै भइराखोस् भन्न चाहन्छु म
अब यो चाहिँ सरले जानकारी गरिसक्नु भएको छ होइन हरेक फ्राइडे एभ्री फ्राइडे 2 घन्टा 3 घन्टा चाहिँ यो एवेरनेस प्रोग्राम चाहिँ भइरहन्छ होइन र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो विद्यार्थीहरूमाथि होइन पोजिटिभ भाइब्स जाओस् जुन किसिमको अहिले गाउँघरमा अहिले बजारमा जुन किसिमको घटनाहरू घटिरहेछ होइन त्यो किसिमको घटनाहरू नघटोस् भनेर चाहिँ अहिले हामीले यो किसिमको प्रोग्रामहरू गरिरहेछौँ होइन र यो किसिमको प्रोग्राम गरेको सुन्दा र देख्दा होइन तिमीलाई चाहिँ कस्तो फिल भएको छ
कस्तो फिल हुन्छ भन्दा पनि अब हाम्रो एक स्कुल हो होइन हामी यहाँबाट पढेर अब आइसकेका हौँ भनौँ यस्तो तर पनि सुनिराख्दा स्कुलको बारेमा केही सुन्दा होइन राम्रो कुरो सुन्दा हामीलाई खुसी लाग्छ गर्व लाग्छ भनौँ त्यस्तै हो अब आफ्नो प्यारो स्कुल
ल थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच
ल सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले नम्बर लाउनु होला र त्यसलाई जोड्नु होला नम्बर लगाएको जोड्नु होला
I hope this program was useful for you people. I can see that some of you are making fun of yourselves, you're laughing, but remember this is a very serious matter. Okay? And whatever you discussed with your people today, go back home, think on those terms, think about it, take it seriously, and if you have any problems, like I said before, you can always contact us. Okay, all of you? So with that, we end the program today. We'll go back to the class and distribute water. So when going out, once the school bell rings, you people could go and take that juice, okay? Boys, please collect all the chairs and take it in the field in the middle. And our school chairs should be kept separate.
यिनीहरूलाई यहीँबाट ओइ यहीँबाट देऊ यहीँबाट ओइ ओइ थ्याङ्क यू पनि छ नि त तिमीमा खै थ्याङ्क यू वेट वेट प्रोग्राम कस्तो थियो
Ay,